Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Ads conversion tracking that's not working on your Shopify store. If your purchases or other conversion actions aren't showing up in Google Ads, it becomes difficult to measure the success of your campaigns and optimize your advertising. The good news is that there are several simple checks you can perform to get your conversion tracking working again. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account and click Tools, then Conversions. Open the conversion action you're using for your Shopify store and make sure it's still active. Verify that the conversion goal is set correctly, such as purchase, and check that the conversion status doesn't show any errors or warnings. Next, go to your Shopify admin and open Settings, then Customer Events or Apps and Sales Channels, depending on how you've connected Google Ads. If you're using the official Google and YouTube sales channel, confirm that your Google account is still connected and that there aren't any setup issues requiring your attention. After that, test your conversion tracking. Complete a test purchase on your store if possible, or use Google's Tag Assistant browser extension to verify that your Google tag is loading correctly on your website. If the tag isn't detected, your tracking code may be missing or incorrectly configured. Another common issue is duplicate tracking. If you've manually installed the Google Ads conversion tag in your Shopify theme while also using Shopify's official Google and YouTube integration or Google Tag Manager, remove the duplicate installation. Running multiple tracking methods can cause inaccurate reporting or duplicate conversions. You should also review any cookie consent or privacy apps installed on your store. If visitors decline tracking cookies, some browser-based conversion events may not be recorded. Test your website after accepting the cookie banner to confirm whether conversions are being tracked properly. If you're using Google Tag Manager, open your GTM workspace and verify that your Google Ads conversion tracking tag is published and firing on the correct event, such as the purchase confirmation page. Any unpublished changes or incorrect triggers can prevent conversions from being recorded. Another useful step is to check your conversion action settings in Google Ads. Make sure the conversion window, attribution model, and counting method match your business goals. If these settings are incorrect, conversions may not be reported the way you expect. You can also compare your Google Ads conversions with your Shopify orders. If Shopify is recording sales, but Google Ads isn't reporting conversions, the issue is likely with the tracking setup rather than your checkout process. This comparison can help you quickly identify where the problem exists. After making your changes, return to Google Ads and monitor your conversion diagnostics. Keep in mind that completed conversions may take several hours and sometimes up to 24 hours before appearing in your reports. It's also a good idea to verify that your store's checkout process is functioning normally. If customers can't complete purchases successfully, Google Ads won't receive purchase conversion events regardless of whether your tracking setup is correct. Finally, keep your Google and YouTube sales channel, Shopify theme, and tracking integrations updated. Using Shopify's official integration is generally the easiest way to maintain reliable conversion tracking while reducing the risk of configuration errors. Periodically test your tracking after making theme updates or installing new apps to ensure everything continues working as expected. And that's it. That's how to fix Google Ads conversion tracking on Shopify. By checking your Google Ads conversion action, verifying your Shopify integration, testing your tags, removing duplicate tracking, reviewing privacy settings, comparing Shopify orders with Google Ads reports, and monitoring your diagnostics, you can restore accurate conversion data and make better decisions for your advertising campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.